demonstrating about the bed box. Hi, I'm Arjun Airline Indico. I'm your caregiver for today. I'll be giving you a bath, then check if it's the right patient. Then you have to remove the pillow of the patient. Then get the LED fan so that this helps the water to flow down the pail. Then get a towel for the neck and for the under the neck. Get another towel to cover the dress. Then get another towel for the eyes with the ears so that the patient won't have air, or the patient won't have discomfort. Then get a comb to, if it's a girl, so comb so that you have to comb so that there won't be tangle. Then get water to gipos mo. Then place shampoo on your hands. Massage. Then get water to rinse off the shampoo on the hair. Then remove the elephant. Then get a towel to patch the rat. After doing the bed shampoo, now let's proceed to cleaning the ears. So we're gonna use cotton ball, then from outer to inner, then dispose. Other side, outer to inner, dispose. Then eyes, from inner canthus to outer, then dispose. Inner to other eye, inner to outer canthus, dispose. And using cotton buds, clean, then dispose, then clean, dispose. Then next is the mouth. you'll use water from forehead, cheek to the chin, then this, then other side, forehead, cheek, chin. Then you will only expose the arm to the hands part. Then you'll wash. If you don't have any brush, then use for the arms to the shoulders, use dry, then after water from hand, from arm to shoulder, then soapy water from arm to shoulder, then rinsing water from arm to shoulder, then pat dry, then same procedure other side. Wash, then pat dry the hands, then water from arms to shoulder, then soapy water from arms to shoulder, then rinsing water from arms to shoulder, then pat dry. Next, you will only expose the chest since it's a demo. Then you'll pour water, then here the chest, since you bring from here the chest. Then soapy water from here to here and here. Then rinsing water from here, here, and here. Then pat dry. Then next you will proceed sa back from shoulder, one stroke down to the buttocks. Then soapy water, shoulder, one stroke down to the buttocks. Then rinsing water, shoulder down and buttocks. Then other side from rinse, then other side from shoulder down to the buttocks, then soapy water, shoulder, then down on the buttocks, then rinsing water down to the buttocks, then pat dry. Then next you will get a dress for the patient. First, you will clean the feet of the patient. Then after pat dry, then next you will use water from leg to thigh, then soapy water leg to thigh, then rinsing water leg to thigh, then pat dry. Then the other side, same procedure. Wash the feet, then pat dry. The next is you will use water leg to the thigh. Next, soapy water leg thigh. Next, rinsing water leg to thigh. Then pat dry. Then next, we will do the perineal care. Only expose the private the part. Then water, then one stroke, then dispose, then other side, one stroke, dispose, then sa middle, one stroke, dispose.